Hello and welcome to International Angel Shark Day. My name's Jo Barker and I'm the co-founder and co-lead of the Angel Shark project. And I'm delighted to be talking to you today about this wonderful group of sharks, the angel sharks. I'm just going to quickly share my screen with a presentation. Bear with me one moment. Cool. So I've been asked to present today about the key achievements for Angel Shark Project Canary Islands in the last year since the last International Angel Shark Day. But before I get into that, I'm just going to give a quick overview of the Angel Shark Project and a broader perspective. So the Angel Shark Project is a multidisciplinary collaboration between partners to better understand and conserve angel sharks throughout their range. All angel shark species have a very limited understanding of ecology at all life stages. And therefore, the Angel Shark Project conducts research to inform conservation, works in collaboration with divers, fishers, other key stakeholders to reduce impact, but also generate much needed data on the species, and collaborate with local and regional partners to deliver action on the ground. All of this data gathering work is to provide evidence to drive legislative change in each of the local contexts. And it's really important to us that we use both research and conservation hand in hand to better protect and safeguard these incredible species of angel shark. The Angel Shark project has expanded quite a lot over the last 12 months. We now have 4 regional projects. The Angel Shark Project Canary Islands, which is led by ULPGC, ZFMK and ZSL. Angel Shark Project Wales, which is led by Natural Resources Wales and ZSL. Angel Shark Project Libya, led by Marine Biology in Libya, IC and the Angel Shark Project Canary Island partners. Angel Shark Project Greece, which is led by IC, the Angel Shark Canary Island partners, and Shark Trust. As well as these focal regional projects, we're also helping conservationists and researchers across their range with any questions on angel shark research techniques and conservation initiatives. We're currently collaborating in Corsica, Croatia, and in Ireland, but also help out whoever gets in contact when we have capacity to do so. As part of our role, we also coordinate the Angel Shark Conservation Network. This is a free, open to access community of people who are interested in or working on angel sharks throughout their range. We'd really encourage anyone who's joining International Angel Shark Day to join the network just by going on to www.angelsharknetwork.com/network. We're in the process of updating the membership levels and we'll be providing an e-bulletin with more information in the coming months. So please do join if you are interested in hearing more news about angel sharks. Anyway, back to the Canary Islands, which is where I'm going to focus the rest of this presentation. And here we have a uniquely large population of angel sharks. And our vision, our aim is to safeguard the future of critically endangered angel sharks in their unique stronghold. As I said before, Angel Shark Project Canary Islands is a collaboration between Universidad de Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, the Zoological Research Museum in Bonn, König, and ZSL. The team has grown again in the last year, and what I'm presenting today is a huge collaborative effort from these team members, our stakeholders, our volunteers, and the communities that we work with. Many of these people I have on the screen now, I haven't seen for over a year now due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And we are just really grateful that we have been able to continue some areas of our research and conservation in the last year, as it has been a tricky year, and our thoughts go out to all of those people who've been affected. In the Canary Islands, we are working along 6 major research and conservation lines, which are outlined on the left-hand side of this screen. And it's really kind of highlight the multidisciplinary nature of our project. We very much work with research, conservation, outreach, engagement, and policy engagement all at the same time. And that's why we've had some great successes in the last year. So first of all, to talk about building capacity in the Canary Islands, this is one of our key objectives. In the last year, we've trained up 15 field assistants in angel shark research and conservation techniques. We've presented at 4 international workshops or online conferences, which have happened, to give up-to-date information on our angel shark research outputs. And we've published 2 papers in the last year. One which is focusing on juvenile angel shark habitat in the Canary Islands, which was published in March 2020. And the second, a review of biological knowledge and exploitation, led by Jim Ellis, which was published in November 2020. As well as doing scientific research and stakeholder building in the Canary Islands, we've also been going to social media, using online tools to really try and raise awareness of angel sharks and this incredible species of shark. In the last year, over 600,000 people have seen our social media and video posts. Over 3,000 people have gone to the Angel Shark Project website, and I'm delighted to announce that it's now in Spanish as well as English. So please do go on and have a look at it. We regularly update the website with new information, new tools, resources, and research. We also had 420 people join our live online talks during the first lockdown announced in Spain. It was a great way for us to talk and meet some of the people we couldn't see in person. And we were really grateful for everyone who joined the talks, and we hope to do some more in the future. One of our key research areas is studying angel shark nursery areas and juvenile angel shark habitat in the Canary Islands. We were lucky that after the period of lockdown, we were able to start some of our fieldwork again in the Canary Islands. And over the last 12 months, we've managed to do 30 angel shark surveys at 16 beaches across the Canary Islands. These surveys are conducted at night using snorkeling to try and understand the habitat use of these really important beaches for juvenile angel sharks. During that process, 113 juvenile angel sharks were tagged, and we use this visual ID tagging method. You can see a tag on the pectoral fin of this shark to understand movement within the nursery area, and also if there's any connectivity between nursery areas. So please, if you do see a tagged angel shark, please do let us know via the sightings map or on social media, www.angelsharkproject.com/map. One of the major highlights of the year has been bringing together stakeholders, policymakers, local government, conservationists, researchers all together for a nursery area workshop in March, which had 35 stakeholders. During this workshop, we really focused on how we can better protect juvenile angel shark habitat across the Canary Islands and what key practical measures we can implement to better protect these really important habitats. We're going to be continuing that work over the year and hope to provide some outputs in the coming months. As well as juvenile angel sharks, we also have a big programme of work studying adult angel shark ecology. In the last year, we tagged 39 adult angel sharks with visual ID tags, and we do this to understand movement and site fidelity within the Canary Island archipelago. In the last 12 months, 40 tagged sharks have been submitted to the sightings map as sightings. These sharks are not just the ones that we tagged in 2020 and 2021, but they actually go back to 2 or 3 years ago, which is super interesting as we're starting to see some really interesting patterns in angel shark site fidelity. So please, if you do see an angel shark tagged, please do report it to the sightings map. As well as the visual ID tags, we've also started to expand our acoustic array in La Graciosa Marine Reserve. And these acoustic electronic tags we fitted to an additional 30 adult angel sharks with acoustic tags this year. And we also managed to download the data from our network of receivers for the first time. And we're delighted that we've got a PhD student who's mining through that data at the moment, and we hope to provide some updates in the coming months. This acoustic tagging work is really important to understand the fine scale habitat use and movement of angel sharks in the reserve, but also to inform conservation measures across the Canary Islands and their wider range. As well as our specific research projects, we also work really closely with divers and dive centres across the Canary Islands. And we'd like to say a huge thank you for everyone who collaborates with us and helps us with our angel shark conservation and research. In the last year, we've managed to visit 144 dive centres, most of those in the latter part of the year. And it was mainly focused during the December 2020 Count the Angels event, where 64 dive centres, 465 divers came together and completed coordinated counts of angel sharks and found 120 angel sharks during those dives. The Count the Angels events are completed once a year over 4 days. And of those 120 angel sharks, some of them would have been resightings of the same individual. And we're hoping to do a full analysis of the data we've gathered to date in spring 2022 to really understand what key insights we're getting from this coordinated count. We're going to be doing another Count the Angels in December 2021, and this one will be across the Canary Island archipelago. So please do keep an eye on social media for updates and join us if you can. As well as the Count the Angels, divers have been doing a fantastic job submitting their sightings to the Angel Shark Sightings Map. In the last year, we've gathered 410 sightings of 715 angel sharks, which is really helping us understand distribution and movement within the archipelago. These are all the dive centres who've collaborated with us this year. And again, just for a huge thank you for all of your support and help over the last 12 months. As well as working with divers, we also work really closely with both commercial and recreational fishers in the Canary Islands. In the last year, we've visited 16 charter boats, 15 harbour masters, and 22 commercial fishers. And it's really important for us to have these meetings and build networks and engagement within the fishing community in the Canaries. As part of this, we distribute best practice handling guidance if an angel shark is accidentally encountered. So what measures you can do to safely release the angel shark with the minimum level of harm. So in the last 12 months, we've delivered 278 guidance documents, and we're also starting to install best practice signs at key ports to raise awareness among a wider group of fishers. This year, we also started a questionnaire programme to understand how different recreational fishing modalities may be affecting angel sharks. A bachelor student has just finished her thesis and collected 120 questionnaires of recreational fishers from the island of Tenerife. We're hoping to expand this work across the Canary Islands this summer. So please, if you're a recreational fisher, please do fill in our survey, which can be found on our website, and we'll also be talking about it on social media. We are hugely grateful for all of the fishers who support our work, who are following the best practice guidance and are reporting those angel sharks if they are accidentally caught and then released, because that's really important data. All of this information that we're gathering, we've been building together and condensing to help inform the angel shark recovery plan for the Canary Islands. As part of the Spanish endangered species listing that was implemented in 2019, the Canary Island government has to deliver a recovery plan for this species in the next few years. So we've been making sure all of our data is brought together. The workshops, for example, the juvenile angel shark workshop that we did in March 2020, the outcomes of that will also support this process, and we're looking forward to that continuing over the next year. Thank you so much for joining International Angel Shark Day. If this has made you inspired to try and help angel sharks, please do submit your sightings to the Angel Shark Sightings Map. That's the #1 thing you can do. And you can find it at angelsharkproject.com/map. You can also join the Angel Shark Conservation Network that I mentioned at the beginning of this talk, following the link there. And please do talk about angel sharks, share your photos, share your facts or figures using the hashtag Angel Shark Day on social media. We're really keen to see all of the different news stories about angel sharks across their range. Before I finish, I just want to say a big thank you for you listening, but also thanks to our funders and to the Canary Island and Spanish governments for the permits which allow us to complete this work. I hope you all have a great International Angel Shark Day, and thanks so much for listening.